What's up? So I'm about to post a video of a 2019 Fiesta with a 1.6. It was a code P0496. I was going to go through the whole diagnostic process. I already knew what was wrong with it. It was the purge valve stuck open, high flow. But you can actually see me with the scan tool going through and looking at codes, and I didn't get a chance to actually go through it with you guys because as soon as I was going to, I got called in for a waiting customer with a F-150 door latch. So, and I didn't even get a chance to film that either. I was just being pulled from one direction to another, along with that Toyota with the headliner. If you guys saw the picture of that, that was not fun. Anyway, so here's a video of me going through the scan tool. All right. I'm willing to bet that the purge valve is stuck open. P0496. System high purge. We're going to take that purge valve off.